Okay, so today we're going to do how to solve the linear equation and inequality. So when you do that, solve the equation or inequality is isolate the variable, which means leave one side the variable and everything else the other side. When you do that, so you know the PEMDAS, right? Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction. That's order of operation. You do that order, but when you move the other side, you do the opposite side, which means addition, subtraction first, multiplication, division, and exponent and parenthesis like that. But maybe you can get rid of parenthesis. That's first thing you might do here. So you don't solve this equation. There's several variables there. So, but that's the parenthesis. Let's get rid of the parenthesis first. That means minus 5. You need to split here and here. So that's minus 5 times x, minus 5x, minus 5 times plus 3, negative 15, right? And 16 minus 4x. One side is variable like term, so you can calculate that first. So 3 minus 5x, so only you calculate the number in front of it, right? So negative 2x minus 15 and 16 minus 4x. So we need to isolate the variable, but here, which has two terms with a variable, then you need to combine them first. Okay? So I might move this on the other side, which means I add 4x here, I add 4x here, right? Then this is cancels out, that's become 2x, but I'm gonna move this one the other side because maybe I write it 15 first, 16 right there, right? Now, you do what? That's time 2 minus 15. You move this minus 15 first, so I'm going to add 15 here. I'm going to add 15 here, right? So that cancels out. This is 2x equal 31. And 2 times x equal 31. In order to move this 2 times, what do you need to do? Divide by 2, right? Divide by 2. So x equal 31 over 2. That's a good answer because not divisible by 31, not divisible by 2. This is a good answer. X equal 31 over 2. We isolate the variable. That's final answer. Everybody got it, right? So I think you can do it. And now, this inequality, almost same except, like the equation, except when divide or multiply negative number, you need to flip the inequality sign, right? So first thing you need to do, because this is even though we don't see the parenthesis sign there, that means division right there, then parenthesis up there. So we're gonna multiply, divide by 8, multiply 8 first, both sides, multiply 8 here, multiply 8 here. So that means this cancels out, then 13 minus 5x, you don't need the parenthesis anymore, I get rid of it. And here, 1 negative, negative 32, right? That's first thing you need to do. Now what? This plus or minus, because this one minus times 5, minus 5 times x, right? So we're going to move this one first, so negative 13 here, negative 13 here, right? So negative 5x, because this is cancels out, we're going to equal to, what is that? Same sign, you need to add it, negative 45, right? Now I'm going to divide by negative 5, both sides, right? So I'm going to do negative 5. But the problem is, now we divide by negative number, then you need to flip the inequality sign. So from here, you change it like that. So, cancels out. X equals more than equal to negative negative become positive 9. Right? That's the answer of this inequality.